How many times during a project have you cut a piece of material only to cut it maybe just a little bit too short, and now it's either not long enough or it fits too loosely? If you want to get the perfect length or the perfect fit, I got a little tip that may just help you next. I'm Rick, and this Shut the heck up, you stinking roosters. Nail that for your sanity! This is the shack. Hey everybody, welcome. If you're new to the channel, first time stopping by, seriously, I appreciate it. Thank you so much for taking some of your valuable time out to view. Now in this video, I'm currently doing a project, a military display cabinet. It's another video that will be coming out soon. So if you want to see anything about that or any other videos I've done or any videos coming up, because I do have a few things, I've just been inundated with other projects, hit that subscribe button, and when you do, ring the ding ding ding, that little bell icon down there so you're notified when the videos do come out. Give it a thumbs up, like it and share, it definitely helps this channel. With that all aside, I'm going to show you how you get that perfect fit. This project I was building, I'm putting a divider in to divide the center cabinet so I can put one of my flags in the top and the bottom, dividing it and have two separate areas to display items along with the holes for adjustable shelving. But I wanted that perfect fit, so to obtain that, I go to a little trick, a little thing I've learned over the years, something to do, that in this case, I literally can cut off a 0.030, a 3/100th of an inch each time. And I'll explain that a little bit later, but let's get to the build. I'm going to show you exactly what I mean and how I obtain that perfect fit. Now this is a current project that I'm working on, and I've come to the point where, as you see, I'm just a hair off of this center divider for my shelving to fit in. So I don't want to take too much off and have a loose fit. I want to keep it snug. And I'm going to show you just how to do that, especially if you have a chop saw. Now the easiest way to do, and I mean very little, is to rest your stock against the blade, not the carbide tips, but the face of the blade here. The carbide tips stick out or proud just a little bit of the face of the blade here. So if you put it against this, when you lift it up, this will flex enough to come up, then you chop back down and you'll see, I'll try to get a good shot of this, it just takes off very minimal. So what I do is I put my blade down, I put my stock next to my face of the blade right there, make sure it's snug, hold it, and see? It's hitting there, and it's very minimal. I don't know if you can see that or not. I'll do this one cut and we'll see if you can see. Very minimal. All right, let's just see how this thing fits now. It should be somewhere in the middle, not exact, but I just want to make sure it's going to fit in there. Ooh, look at that. Now that's a perfect fit. Oh yeah, that's good. Now if I just tried to eyeball it, I'd probably have it very loose. I told you it was easy, simple, just something I've learned over the years. I don't know if I was shown that in the cabinet shop, I don't remember. As long as you have a carbide tipped blade, this system will work every single time. Now I mic'd the blade so I could give you a precise measurements. The metal, the blade base itself, the plate of the blade, I mic'd it at 0.075. Now the carbide tips are 0.135. So you minus that, you come up with a 0.060. That means on either side of that, the blade, the plate, not the carbide tips, on either side of that plate, the carbide tip sticks out an additional 0.03 hundredths of an inch on either side. Long as you butt your material against the plate of the blade, lift it up, the blade will flex enough for the carbide tips to go across, and when you cut down, you're literally cutting off just that thickness between the end of the carbide tip and the face, the blade itself. So that's an easy way to get a more precise measurement. You can mic your blade because carbide tips may vary in width on different blades. That's an average. So in my case, on this one, that's what I know I can get every time. Easy, simple. Hope it helps. You can obtain that perfect fit. You can literally, at least in my case, I can take off 3/100 of an inch on average every cut using this method. So that is it. Easy, simple. Again, I will have a link to the build back here when it is done. When this video comes out, probably have at least 2 to 3 more weeks before the video will come out for the build. Some final things I'm doing. But again, hit the subscribe button, ding ding ding, hit that bell so you get notified when the video does come out. That's it on this video. Thanks again for watching. Be blessed, take back, check, build it for your sanity. See you next video.